All right, according to this, let me do something else. Today, we're going to have vocabulary class. So what is it? Can you see my screen? Hello, can you see my screen? Not yet? Oh, hold on one moment. Let me see if I can do something for you. It is okay. I got it here, and I'm here, and then here. All right. Hold on one moment. All right. Yeah, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Can you see this? Where is it? Oh, can you see now on my screen? Yeah, can you see my screen? You need. So we're gonna study vocabulary from units 5, 6, and 7. Nevertheless, remember the idea here is just try to repeat, listen, repeat, and also don't forget that it's mandatory to look at the dictionary, the words that you don't understand. And these words are coming from all the units 5, 6, and 7. Remember, the main idea here is that the students can repeat, can try to, uh, keep in mind or be very conscious how important it is to have vocabulary, especially for reading comprehension. Okay, so remember this. This is something that you need to do when you are learning another language. First step is to listen a lot. The second step is to have vocabulary. It means you need to memorize every day or 4, 5, or 6 words every day. Of course, it depends on you. So how you are or how interested you are in learning another language. So uh, that's why it is very important to have vocabulary. So let's practice. Let's go to the vocabulary and let's see how is it going. Okay. So my idea is, I know it's gonna be complicated for me to listen all of you. So I just want us you listen and try to repeat. Or if you want, just keep in mind how is the pronunciation. Remember, uh, pronunciation, it's better for speaking. Visual memory is better for reading comprehension. So remember, we're doing two things. So let's go here. Let's go. Oh my God, how long? Here, yeah. So try it. Just let's try it. Or is it? It's coming here. Yeah. Yeah, it's coming here. Can you hear me? Yeah. All of you are listening to me. All right. Yeah. So I'm trying to put some color because colors are excellent for memory. Of course, black and white, those colors are excellent. But Antoine, what's going on? Okay, perhaps it doesn't work, and I don't know why. Let me check it out one more time. I'm not really. Well, let's do it. So let's go. Repeat. All of you, the idea is to repeat. So remember, if you don't understand, my suggestion is to look at the dictionary, all the words, and try to memorize every day 4, 5, or 6 words. At the end of the year, remember your goal. Your goal is to have more or less around 700 words in your mind. Okay, 700 is not enough. Of course, 800 is excellent. 1000 is the best. Now it works. Okay, let's do it. So repeat. So remember here, or repeat here, hidden, and then, let's go to the next. Treasure, 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 treasure. Notice this, how pronounce this. This is a little different to our pronunciation. Say treasure, and then here pronounce show. Sha, she, chi, sure, sure. Treasure, treasure. Choices. Here is plural. Choices. Choices. Already. Already. Notice this is the same pronounced like the color. Greece. Pronounced a little bit similar like in Spanish. Greece. There are two pronunciations. One is castle and the other is castle. Cattle, castle in this case. Next, it's gonna be a library, library. So notice this library, it's spelling completely different than when you write library. All right. Next, go to the cathedral, cathedral. Next is a square, art gallery. Now here we have two pronunciations in this moment. One is coming from British and the other is coming from America. So let's study here. They say that this more American pronunciation. So here we pronounce theater, theater. Remember here, the idea is to pronounce like that, so you say theater, theater. Let's go rains, monument, plane, shapes, shapes, lucky, climb. This word, perhaps you can find, you can see here where it's unbelievable, 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 unbelievable. Okay, jewelry, unbelievable, and jewelry, 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 jewelry. Build is the past tense of build, past tense built. Toms, almost. Fight. It's not complicated for some of you. Containing, containing. You know. Yes. Take, taken, taken, taken. Sorry, taken. Gone. Mean, had. Here pronounce the had. Vulture, a vulture. Abroad. Survey. Jowls, jowls. Statements. Found. Hunter. Equipment, equipment. Currency. Water bowl. Everything. Things. Culture. Together. Plenty. Sickness, sickness. Crew. Outside. Although, although, although. Suffer. Hiking. Neighbor. neighbor, avô, valet, train, but, mountain. It's possible to say mountain or change T for R, marine, plane, town, foot. Let's go to the river, reason, lake, just, come back, sing, weather, choose, done, all. All right, so according to this, what I need is uh one of you you're gonna repeat. I mean, I wanna hear you. So I'm gonna say 5 words, and after that, one of you have to continue. So number one is Ivan Camilo. Ivan Camilo, can you hear me? All right, you sir, you pronounce the 5 words, please. All right, so let me show you first. 5. Yeah, you need 5 here. Pronounce, please. 5. Let's start. You, I hear you. 1, 2, 3, go. Perfect. Sure. Correct. Sure. Yes. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Let's go to Alejandro Diego Flores. Now you're 5 more. Ready, man? 1, 2, 3, go. Yes. Perfect. Yes. Repeat. Square. Don't pronounce this. Only this. Square. Yes. And finally, perfect. Now let's go to Ana Maria. Now, 5. You pronounce this. Ana Maria, can you hear me? Uh, She's gone. So she's gone. Ana Maria's gone. Okay. Esteban Martinez, are you there? Now repeat. 5. Repeat. Thi, sa, se, si, so, su. Pronounce sa, theater, theater. Repeat. Theater, sa, se, si, so, su, theater. Yes. Rains, yes. Perfect. Yes. Yes, very good. So now let's go to Ana Sofia Ramirez. Are you there? Now you. Okay, 1, 2, hold on. But hold on, 1 moment, please. Ready? Go. Yes. Uh-uh. Climb. Climb. B. Pronounce B. Climb. Exaggerate, okay? Climb. Exaggerate, okay? Yes. On. Yeah, unbelievable. Yes, unbelievable. Jewelry. All right. And this final 10. Repeat. Pronounce T. Built. Yes. Very good. It was good. So now Julian David Suarez. Let's go. All right, you 20 to 25. All right, so let's start with